Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Puerto Rican Flan De Queso. Begin by prepping caramel first, melting sugar until deep amber and pouring into your mold. Soften cream cheese and whisk with condensed and evaporated milks, eggs, and vanilla until smooth. Strain the custard and pour over caramel, then cover for the water bath step to ensure even cooking and silky texture. Place the filled mold into a larger pan and pour hot water halfway up the sides for bain-marie. Bake gently to avoid curdling, checking doneness by a tender wobble in the center. Let the flan rest and cool to room temperature before chilling, which helps the custard firm and flavors meld. Chilling overnight improves texture and makes unmolding cleaner, yielding that classic creamy Puerto Rican Flan De Queso. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated with a leak-proof design and easy sip lid, perfect when you're near a hot oven or stirring caramel. You'll thank me when cleanup is smoother. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After chilling, warm the bottom of the mold briefly in hot water to loosen the caramel, then invert onto a serving plate. Slice with a clean, warm knife for neat portions and spoon remaining caramel over each slice for gloss and flavor. Offer simple garnishes like toasted coconut flakes or a little lime zest to cut sweetness and add texture while keeping the focus on the rich, cheesy custard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.